Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by enabling location and choosing high accuracy. This uses GPS plus network signals for faster fixes. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi and mobile data are on because cell towers and nearby networks reduce time to first fix. Open your map or navigation app and grant precise location permission. The app then pings satellite and network sources. If you're outdoors, step with a clear sky view to speed lock. These first steps put your phone into active tracking, so the next phase can get a solid fix. Now you focus on getting an accurate fix. The device needs multiple satellites, aim for 4 or more locked, to compute a precise position. Use assisted GPS features. A GPS or network assistance will download almanac data to speed and refine the solution, often improving accuracy to 5–10 meters. Move slowly and clear of obstructions because reflections and blockages introduce error. Once you see consistent position dots or a stable coordinate, make sure to calibrate compass if navigation requires heading. Then begin route calculation or tracking confidently. You complete the session by starting navigation or continuous tracking and monitoring the map's ETA and route recalculations. If your position drifts or jumps, try quick resets. Toggle airplane mode off and on, or disable then re-enable location to force a new satellite handshake. Once done, make sure to update the app and clear its cache. Reboot the phone if issues persist, because software glitches can corrupt sensor fusion. If nothing fixes it, test with another app to isolate hardware versus app problems. Use that info when seeking service.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.